One of the more bizarre aspects of living in a universe that exists in a constant state of a funnelization in and a funnelization out of atomic mass is basically you should always have this kind of matter everywhere in terms of space and time at this velocity. Since it goes on forever, that's one of the reasons I hate dealing with infinity, because infinity, it just thinks it's so cool. I mean, I guess because it's infinite, that it thinks it's special. Infinity likes to fuck with you. It really does. Infinity likes to fuck with you. I mean, you really don't know what it's capable of. It thinks it's just God, I guess. I don't know. Not to get off subject, but let me ask you a question. Let me ask you like this, okay? Say I asked you, what's the largest animal that ever existed in the universe? And you said, okay, well, that would be creature X that lived on planet whatever a billion Big Bang cycles ago. It doesn't really matter. And it was 5,000 football fields in diameter, to right down to the atom. You have to ask yourself, in terms of infinity, with infinite time in both directions, past and future, with infinite space in all directions, with an infinite amount of creatures, why would that creature be the largest? Wouldn't there be a creature that would just be like a billionth of an atom larger in terms of volume? And then wouldn't there be another creature even larger than that one? But eventually you'd have to reach a limit to how big a creature could get in terms of the laws of physics of this universe. So I guess it would just break down fractally. This is the way infinity likes to fuck with you. It really does. And it upsets me. It really does. Let me tell you something else that pisses me off about infinity. It's not just the fact that it's infinite. It's the fact that what it does, it plays weird tricks on you. It really does. It does bizarre things. For instance, let's say that there's an infinite amount of mass in this universe, okay, that extends out forever in terms of space and time. I mean, just galaxies, no matter how far you go out, say, just a Googleplex square, just a ridiculous number out, you're still going to find mass out there forming into galaxies in various states. I mean, it might be plasma, whatever. It's still going to be mass out there too. It's still going to have gravitational attraction. That would mean that we would be in like this, at the center of this infinite sphere of mass that extends out forever, which means we are being gravitationally affected by that mass, which should contribute to an expansion of the universe, which means we basically don't need dark energy anymore. Unfortunately, it also means something else. It also means that nothing ever moved in the universe. And this is where infinity just really pisses you off. Yes, that's what I said. Nothing ever moved in the universe. Because when you think about it, if the Earth is moving around the Sun, and the Sun is moving around the galaxy, and the galaxy is moving around the local group, and the local group is moving around a larger structure, and the larger structure is moving around a larger structure, and larger, it goes on forever and ever and ever. You have to understand what infinity means. It means ultimately in the end, whatever motion is made, because you're dealing with infinity, whatever motion is made will be canceled out by something else, which means you can make the argument that nothing ever moved in terms of the universe. This is weird. I'm not going to go on with this because you can go crazy thinking about this, but you realize there's things about infinity we really don't understand. There's things about infinity. Infinity has the edge, at least over me, and I don't like it. I just don't like it.